Good day and welcome to today's episode of 0 to Hero in Python Programming 60 Days series. Today we'll be treating Python data type part 2. Basically we'll be treating Boolean alone today. Sorry, because I've promised we are going to treat other data types in Python today. But if we're going to treat everything today, this video is going to be long and I don't want it to be too long so that you won't be bored. So let's just treat Boolean. We'll be treating others in future. So Boolean data type. Unlike integer, float, string data types that have infinite opportunities, Boolean has just two: true or false, yes or no. But actually, just true or false. The meaning is just yes and no. Too. So it's named after a mathematician, George Boolean, and that's why they have to start with capital letter. So whenever you are writing true as a Boolean operator or false as a Boolean operator, you have to start with a capital letter. So here, let me just run this. Dummy equals true. That's assigning dummy to true. So if you check dummy is true. Data type Boolean. So you can see that. But mind you, if you quote it is string. But mind, I told you it has to start with the capital letter, and it stems from the fact that Python is case sensitive. So if you run this to give you an error because Python does not know what that is. And again, you can't use them as an assignment operator, like any Boolean variable that is true and false. You can't use them as an assignment operator because they are reserved words. So this will give you an error because it's a reserved word in Python. So, but if you use the small letter, it will of course work for you. So comparison operators, yeah, the actual place where the Boolean shines that it comes to usefulness is when you are comparing things. Oh, is this equal to this? Is this not equal to this? And the likes like that. So comparison operator is just to compare two things. And remember, we have the equal to sign and we have, which is an assignment operator. But if you use double equal to beside each other, then it becomes a comparison operator. So this is to check if two things are equal to each other. This is to check if they are not. This is to check if it's less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. So here we are checking, is 42 equal to 42? Of course, it is equal to each other. Then 42 equals to 49? False, it's not. Then 2 is not equal to 3, of course. 2 not equal to 2, that's false, because 2 is equal to 2. Hello, is hello equal to hello? Yeah. Then is hello equal to hello with a capital letter? Mind you, I told you Python is case sensitive. So here to give us false, because this one starts with the capital H, this one starts with the small h. So that's that one. That is dog equal to cat? No. Dogs are bigger than cats. Is true equal to false? I mean, is true not equal to false? Of course. True is not equal to false, so to give us a true answer. Is 42 equal to 42? If you notice in calculation, 42 will be equal to 42. Like 42 plus 2 will give us 44. 42.0 plus 42 plus 2.0 will give us 44. So it's true. But if it comes to string, you can add a string to an integer, so it will give us false until you convert it. So that's why it's giving us false there. Then 42 less than 100. Of course, 42 is less than 100. Is 42 less than 42? No, it's not. So I wrote a more explanation on how y equal to, and the assignment operator and the comparison operator, how they work here. So you can just pause this video here and read through. So now we have the Boolean operators, that is what we use to combine Booleans. Unlike, okay, when we did string, we did string concatenation. So here we have Boolean operators. That's, for example, here we'll be treating the binary Boolean operators, which are the and the or. If you did logic in the university, you understand what I mean. So true and true, that is true and true. The only time when and works is when the two of them are the same. As in, when the two of them are true. Let me just put it like that. When the two expressions are true. So when we have two true, then and will give us a true answer. But whenever we have any false anyway, it automatically give us a false. Don't worry, we use it a lot in programming. So true and true will give us true. True and false will give us false. So this is just a table explaining the results. I'm supposed to actually put equal to signs. Yeah, let me just do that. Let me do that now. Let me do that. Let me do that. Let me do that. I didn't do that when I was. So you can just check through this table and get more understanding of what I mean. So it's only true when the both are true. Then for the or operator, false or true. or operator is only false when both are false. So whenever it sees one true, it just takes it like that. So true is the quality it's looking for. So that's that. So false and true will give us true. The only time it is false, it is when both are false. So false or false will give us false. But same thing here. So let me just do what I did there here. So equal to, then equal to, then equal to, then equal to. So that's that. So it's only false when both are false. It's always true whenever it is any true anywhere. So you can just study that table. Then the not operator. Not operator is just to convert, to flip. If it's true, you change it to false. When it's false, change it to true. So it's just like flipping the Boolean operator. So not true will give us false. Then if you now say not true, that's not true will give us false. Then not false will give us true. That's basically that. So these are the results of that here. Why did I forget a lot of equal to in this tutorial? So probably I rushed in preparing the material. So that's that on that. So mixed Boolean operator. This is where the and shines. So is 4 less than 5? Yes. Is 5 less than 6? Yes. So that's both true. So if we run this, it will give us true. Is 4 less than 5? Yes. Is 9 less than 6? Yes. Pause. What would this give us? 9 is not less than 6. It's actually false. So this will give us false because we're using and. But here, guess what this will give us? 1 equal to 2 or 2 equal to 2. This will give us true because one of them is true. Then here we have 1, 2, 3. We have 1. Then we have the not operator. Then we have 2, which we have the binary Boolean operator here. Then we have another one here. If we check this, it will give us true because all of them are true. This one that is not true, we put not, so it converts the false to true. So that's basically that. So this is our assignment for this tutorial. Our assignment is to evaluate these expressions, and I will be seeing you in the next tutorial, which will be tomorrow. And mind you, you can run your codes and push them to GitHub. I've actually posted the article I promised on Fibitech website, which is that's www.fibitech.com. So you can just check that website on how to push your code to GitHub. So you'll be pushing your assignments to GitHub and commenting your solution. The link to your GitHub repo in the comments below, so I can check your assignments. And whenever you see anybody ask questions, please respond. And if you need any of Fibitech services when you check the website, let us know. We will be at your service. Thank you and see you later. Bye bye.